GPU simulations, advanced geometry cleanup tools, and a Microsoft 365 integration for data management and collaboration across teams. This release takes upfront design and model prep to a whole new level. A groundbreaking new feature is the option to leverage the industry-leading speed of the LiveGX solver, the same solver used in Fluent for multi-GPU workloads, on unstructured meshes. Add in the new polyhedral meshing support, and it is now possible to have both speed and accuracy while also dramatically reducing GPU memory requirements. This breakthrough eliminates challenges capturing thin structures or narrow flow passages. All CFD applications are supported, including fluid thermal heat transfer, electronics cooling, and detailed flow control devices. Every engineer now has the ease of use of Discovery, the accuracy of Fluent, and the speed of live physics. Finding and fixing geometry issues before they cause problems in meshing or solving is now dramatically easier. With the new Check Geometry tool in Discovery, common geometry issues that can derail your simulation process are now automatically identified and visualized. More importantly, a powerful new repair engine automatically corrects issues, resulting in clean, ready-to-simulate geometry. By hiding faces, we can easily see how this can correct even the hard-to-find problems on the interior of a model and fix it with a single click. A new parameter manager enables creation of complex design studies in a few clicks. Parameter studies can also be used with topology optimization, generating multiple optimized shapes under different constraints in a fully automatic workflow. This makes it possible to easily understand your design space and explore trade-offs between performance and constraints before selecting the optimal solution for your application. To complete your design, subdivisional surface modeling makes it possible to edit these complex organic shapes to fit manufacturing needs, or to reduce local stress concentrations and improve design robustness. Simulation-driven design has never been faster or easier. For complex fluid domains, it can often be challenging to create fluid regions due to gaps or overlapping parts. With Discovery's new cutter bodies, these challenges have been eliminated through a highly innovative volumetric approach. Large numbers of complex parts could be subtracted from any fluid region instantaneously and robustly. Say goodbye to hours spent struggling with geometry before running CFD simulations. Cutter bodies are supported across all fluid workflows and are especially helpful with electronics cooling scenarios where detailed geometries are common. Working on a project with a team? In today's fast-paced design and engineering landscape, collaboration is critical. That's why we're excited to introduce our Microsoft 365 integration for Ansys Discovery. Now, all of your Discovery documents can be automatically saved and synced to OneDrive or SharePoint. Additionally, comments and markups can be made directly within the model using the Discovery interface or the new Discovery web app. Reduce miscommunication and accelerate design cycles with Discovery's new immersive collaboration experience.